Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. So today I'm going to talk about how to create an Instagram business account step-by-step guide. So this is a step-by-step guide for beginners, and in today's video I'm going to show you all the steps easily so that you don't make any mistakes. This guide will help you get started right away. So let's jump right in. First of all, you have to visit to instagram.com, and if you're using Android or iPhone, you can just simply go to your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram and then download it. And I hope you know Instagram's official logo. So now let's head over to the main steps, but before starting, make sure to check the link in the description box, or it can be in the pinned comments. So first of all, you have to head over to instagram.com, and now you have to tap on to create a new account. You can also sign up to create a new account. Okay, now you have to enter your number or email. So let's choose a email right now. Let's choose one. Let's choose this email address from here, and then you have to enter the paste it. Okay, now you have to enter password for it, and then you have to enter full name. Okay, and you have to enter your username. So I'm gonna just edit the password. Let me just edit the password from here. So let's just add a password. Now let's tap on to sign up. Then tap on to save. Now you have to enter your budget. If so let me enter a budget here. So let's add it to 2001. Okay, now let's tap on to next. So wait until it loads completely. Now you have to enter the confirmation code that was sent to the email you provided. So let's go to the email Gmail account and let's check it out. The code, let's check out the code right from here, and this might be here. Let's check it out. Wait until the page loads, and after copying the code, you just have to enter the password right here. So let's go back and use another Gmail account. So just go to instagram.com, and then you have to tap onto, okay, let's tap onto this and let login. So as you can see, I'm having some issues. So let's tap onto project Asian and then use a strong password, then like this. Now let's tap sign up and check out what's up. It should be like this one. Yeah, let's sign up. Now enter your budget perfectly. Now tap next. Now you have to enter the confirmation code that was sent to your Gmail account. So wait until the page loads. As you can see, on the social here, social section, Instagram will send you a text. So wait until the text appears. The text might be somewhere here. Let's check in the spam box. This is not right there. So wait until it comes. The notification appears. There must be somewhere here. Let's check it out. So let's change the Gmail account for now. Where does it go? Okay, let's enter the and then enter at the rate hub gmail.com. Okay, now you have to tap on to login. So this is very simple. Okay, as you can see, it's saying that my password was incorrect. So as you can see, I'm logged into my Insta account. Now let's see. Now you have to tap onto your profile icon, and from there you have to you can upload a profile picture. You can, if you want, then tap onto edit profile section, and from there you can choose your website. If you can choose whether if you want to add your website link or not. You can add bio from here. You can add your gender and all other things, and then tap onto submit, and it will be saved. Now let's say you want to create a business page for your account. So let's tap onto professional account. Basically, professional account is mainly for influencers, for the people who wants to be influencer. They have to fill up all this information, then tap submit, and then their professional account will be created. But as today's video is on how to create an Instagram business account, so you have to move to business and tool controls, and you have to tap on to switch to creator account, and from there you can switch to a creator account, and then there we go. You can check out your business account now. Like, now tap on to whether you want a business account or personal account. So for now I'm going to choose to switch to business account. So simply tap on to business account. Now confirm it, and we almost got there. Now choose whether you want to choose business for creator account or personal. I'm going to tap on to creator account. Now tap on to switch and confirm it again. Now choose it again, switch to business account. Okay, then we are almost done. Now let's go to home page. As you can see, I have already created my business account. So as you can see, the business account is created. Now you have to add your bio, your website link, your bio, your gender, and all other things from here. You can check out your account privacy and all other things like close friends, blocked messaging, and story reply settings. From here you can customize them if you wish to. You can show your active status or not, and many other things. You can create or upload reel right from here. You can post, you can get you can live on Instagram. You can post your ads right from here, and at the top left corner you can see this mode option, the three dot. You can choose your settings from here. You can check out your activities, your saved reels or videos, your switch appearance, and all other things. And if you wish to switch your accounts, just simply tap on to switch accounts, and from there you can simply switch your account. So that was it. This is how you can create a professional business account. And as you can see, you have to create all these things like upload your bio and etc. You can have to upload your bio, a professional bio, and other informations, and then you have to tap submit. Okay, so that your business account looks more professional. You can display category, and if from here you can add category. Okay, for example, I'm gonna tap onto art, and then gonna save it, then submit. So now let's move forward to my profile and reload the page, and it will be added here soon. As you can see, these are added here. So just create a professional bio and etc. Any other informations you need to add to look professional. So that was it for today, and if this video helped you, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you in the next video.